Hello everyone, my name is Shay, and today I want to talk about my latest project, which has been to learn ROS, and I want to give a little bit of a showcase of what I've gotten so far, what I've learned so far. And it's nothing groundbreaking, but I just thought I'd show my progress. So I've got a robot in, this is Turtlebot 3, in the Turtlebot 3 World Simulator in Gazebo, and I thought I'd show my program I have running here. So, as you can see, I've created a basic autonomous robot, which is pretty exciting, and it's using the Turtlebot 3 with the 360-degree lidar on there. And it's not a very good autonomous algorithm, as you can see. Really all he's doing is it's just checking the distance in front of it, and if he sees an object in front of him, he's turning for 5 seconds in a certain direction, and then moving forwards until he gets in within, I have it set to ½ a meter of an object, and then stops and then turns again. So it's pretty basic, but I'm happy to be making progress. Actually, I think it's pretty exciting to actually have a robot in a simulator and actually have it moving around and functioning in a pretty somewhat intelligent way. So actually I've been following most of this through a tutorial, so it's definitely not my 100% original code, but I was reading this book, Programming Robots with ROS, Practical Guide. Let me show you the title. It's going to take forever to scroll. Okay, so this is the book I've been using, Programming Robots with ROS, Practical Guide to Robot Operating System, and this is all in Python. But I did make some modifications, so I was pretty much on the Wanderbot chapter. I just finished with this yesterday, and they were using Turtlebot 2, but because the Turtlebot 2 is an older robot, and if I was to buy a robot, I wanted to work with the Turtlebot 3. So I replaced all the stuff regarding Turtlebot 2 with the newer updated Turtlebot 3. So in the code, even though it expects you to be using a Kinect that simulates the lidar, I have it set up so I'm just using a lidar. And so I had to make some changes where we didn't need this at all. And also this is all with the assumption of ROS Indigo, so some of the package.xml file tags weren't correct. What else was there? There's just a bunch of little things. Message.ranges, I didn't use this exact call because this again assumes we're using the lidar, or not lidar, the Kinect that emulates the lidar. So instead I have message.ranges, and all this just is a zero, and just a 0 in the bracket here, and that is the most forward-looking beam of the lidar. So right now the lidar on my robot is just looking, the only thing it's considering is what's straight ahead of it. So it's not, again, it's not making great use of the lidar, but it's a start. Let me see here. So yeah, that's it for my progress. I didn't want to keep this video very long. I didn't want to really make a tutorial or anything. I tried to make a video. I did one video where I was just talking about every little detail I had to change to get this to work, and some tips on learning ROS and my experiences with it. But it was like 30 minutes, and I thought it was kind of boring. So here we go. I'll just let him drive around a bit, and that's it for me. So thanks for watching.